Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the box base curtain rods that I purchased. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at what you get when you buy them from Amazon. All right. So when you open it up, you're going to get the end pieces. Here you go. That's this one of them, and that's the second one right over there. And then you're going to get uh, one of the size that holds the curtain rods right there. And then if you've got the package, you've got your screws, okay, and you got your wall anchors right over there. And then they'll give you your manual. And then you have your poles right over there. All right. That's the end piece where you can put in the end piece right over there. Okay. And I'm glad they came in black, and which I really chose for my dining room project, because it goes very well with what I'm doing. All right. So there we go. You go on my YouTube channel and playlist, you'll see the box base playlist, and also what this will look like on my dining room project playlist as well. So there we go. The video for box base curtain rods. You guys have a good day. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like, and check out the rest of my other videos on my channel. Bye.